Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve root x plus under root minus x is equals to 2, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So root x is equals to 2 minus under root negative x. Now I'm going to do squaring both sides. So it becomes x is equals to, here I'm going to use a very famous identity, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 square plus under root negative x square minus 2 times under root negative x. So x is equals to 4 plus negative root x minus 4 times negative root x. So x is equals to 4 minus x minus 4 under root negative x. Now I'm taking this negative x to other side. So x plus x and this 4 to other side, negative 4 is equals to negative 4 times square root of negative x. So 2x minus 4 is equals to negative square root of negative x. So if I'll take 2 as common, so x minus 2 is equals to minus 2 times 2 root x negative. So we can cancel out this. So x minus 2 is equals to negative 2 square root of negative x. Now again I'm doing squaring both sides. So here again I'm using this identity. So x square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2ab is 4x is equals to negative 2 square is 4, and this eliminates, so negative x. So x square plus 4 minus 4x is equals to negative 4x. So x square plus 4 negative 4x positive 4x is equals to 0. So we can cancel out. X square plus 4 is equals to 0. X square is equals to negative 4. X is equals to square root of negative 4. Put plus minus. X is equals to plus square root of negative 4 and negative square root of 4. So x is equals to 2 iota with positive, and here negative 2 iota, because iota is negative square root of 1. So these are the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.